Okay, let me. So we can start, right, Ankush?
Yes, Kiran, you can get started. We have started the recording, right?
Yes, it started.
Okay, okay.
Okay,
Okay.
hello everyone. So this is Kiran, and I'll be your trainer for Power Automate here. And let me give you a short introduction. Like I have like almost more than 6 years of experience into Power Automate. I have worked with multiple domains of a client like healthcare, finance, banking, and many more. Okay. And I did completed almost more than 40 projects till now, end to end. So yeah, that's about myself. I wanted to understand, like from all of you guys first, like just a small introduction first, and about your background and what is your expectations from this course. Okay, so can we start one by one? Should I name and then you will start or how?
So we'll start off with the paid members who are
Mm-hmm.
Preeti, Manisha, right? So they are the paid members. We have third paid member
Mm-hmm.
who was not able to join today,
Okay, okay.
right?
Yeah, we can
So
start with Preeti then. Let's
yeah.
yeah. Can, so hello Preeti. You can unmute and just give a small introduction, please.
Hello, myself Preeti Gupta,
Yeah. Huh?
and currently I'm working in entity data as a UI path developer, and to
Okay.
enhance my skills in other tools of RPA also. So I want to learn uh, this platform also.
Okay, okay. So how many years of experience you have in RPA?
In RPA, I have 2 years of experience,
Okay, and what is your total years?
total 4 years.
Okay, understood, understood, understood. Okay, nice to hear that, Preeti. Thank you
Thank
so
you.
much. Yeah, yeah,
Thank you.
yeah. Yeah, next please. Okay, I'll ask one by one. Swati.
Yeah, hi everyone. So I'm currently working as a UiPath developer. I
Mm-hmm.
have 3 years of experience in total.
Okay,
So I just want to learn Power Automate to make my profile stronger enough. So
okay.
I'm interested in learning different RPA tools.
Good,
Um,
good to hear that. Mm-hmm,
yeah,
mm-hmm.
I have some basic knowledge on Blue Prism too.
Okay,
Since Power Automate is emerging, I want to learn it and master it. So I joined in this session.
great. So how much
Also,
experience you have total?
total 3 years, and in RP also I have 3 years of experience. 3 years I've totally worked in UiPath.
Okay, 3 years you have. Nice,
Yeah,
nice to hear that, Swati. Thank you so much.
yeah. Thanks for the session too,
Yeah, thank
for
you.
arranging the session.
Yeah, pleasure. Yeah, next, Raju. Uh,
Yeah, hi, hello everyone. Can you hear
mhm.
me?
Yes, yes, I can hear you.
Yeah, hi. So my currently I'm working for a Copwatch company. So
Mm-hmm,
it's been almost 3 years.
mm-hmm.
Copwatch.
Okay.
So just give me a minute.
Yeah, 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 sure. Someone has joined with the name Motorola Edge 50 Pro. Can you rename this, please?
Till then, I think first we can hear
Yeah,
it from Manisha,
Yeah.
Manisa,
yeah, I'm back.
Manisa,
All
right?
right. So yeah. So as I
Okay.
was saying that
Uh-huh.
I'm working for a Copwatch
Yeah,
company
Raju.
Mm-hmm.
for the past 3 years. So I'm working as a developer here. But
Mm-hmm.
I want to learn
So
this Power
sorry
Automate.
to interrupt you. Sorry to interrupt. Okay, sorry to interrupt you, Raju. So, Kiran, if you feel that there is some disturbance at someone's end, you can
Yeah,
mute
I have
them.
muted them, sorry. Yeah.
Okay, no problem. Yeah, Raju, you can continue. Sorry
Yeah.
for interrupting you.
All
Okay.
right. So I'm working as a UI developer for
Mm,
Coforge company. It's been 3 years,
Mm-hmm.
and since my company started using the Power Automate projects on Power Automate, so
Mm-hmm.
I just wanted to learn and get my skill enhanced and work on the Power Automate projects going forward.
Understood. So total year of experience?
Total, I have 10 years of experience, out of which
Nice.
UiPath, yeah, on UiPath, I have 4.5 year, yeah,
Okay.
4.5 years of experience.
Okay.
Prior to that, I was a macro developer in Optum. So
Okay.
initially,
Understood.
I started off my career as a VBA developer. Then I used
Understood.
to develop macros. Then I got an opportunity to get into UiPath.
Nice. Nice.
Yeah, it's like that.
Nice to hear, Raju. Okay. Okay. Thank you so much.
Mm.
Yeah. Let's go to Manisa.
Hey, hi all. Hi Kiran. Hope I'm
Yeah.
audible.
Yes. Yes. You're audible.
Yeah, I have 7 years of experience, 7+ years of experience.
Mm-hmm.
Initial years, 3 years, I am into Oracle database administrator,
Mm-hmm.
and then 1 year I have like orchestrator and control room admin for Ericsson account, for Blue Prism and UiPath both. And
Mm-hmm.
last 4 years I'm into completely UiPath development and also some quality audit assurance. I'm working on that unit. So
Understood.
my unit is insurance and finance. So they are
Okay.
upgrading to Power Automate, and there are
Mm-hmm.
a lot of like with the change in the AI world, they want us to
Yeah. Yeah.
in line with lot of tools and with lot of
Mm-hmm.
new other skills. So I'm
Okay.
here to explore the Power Automate.
Nice. Nice to hear that, Manisa. Thank you so much for introduction.
Thank you.
Yeah. I can go ahead with is that Komala? Yeah, with the name Komala.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
I am audible, sir.
Yeah, yeah, you're audible.
Sir, I am Komala Marathi from. I am doing MCA from Liberty College of Engineering, Davangere.
Mm-hmm.
I am.
Okay.
I, I don't have experience.
Okay. Okay. So you're still pursuing your graduation, is it?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. Nice to hear that. Nice to have a like undergoing graduates also here. Yeah. Good to have. Thank you so much, Komala. Yeah. Next is Naveen. Naveen, can you unmute and introduce yourself? Okay.
So, Kiran, if someone doesn't want to proceed, introduce, we can proceed ahead with the next person. No
Okay.
problem.
Okay. We can start with an NAV Nav. His name with NAV.
You said my name. Thanks for that. Yeah, from my name is Nav. So I have got about 5 years automation experience working in automation. So I worked on the different tools, including Python, and we got UiPath, and currently working on Power Automate. So currently worked on desktop. I have been involved in migration, because company keep changing things from UiPath to, so we removed a lot of processes from UiPath to Power Automate. And currently, I think I've developed about 20 plus processes in Power Automate desktop, using the desktop mainly.
Okay.
So
Okay. So
yeah,
you have already
so
worked on desktop, is it?
yeah. So I've got 20 plus processes I have developed in the desktop. So my main, I'm going to see your agenda, Karen, what your agenda is, because I'm looking mainly towards the Power Automate side rather
Cloud side.
than the cloud side rather than
Understood.
more the
Understood.
desktop. But we'll see how it goes. Might be, we
Yeah,
able
yeah,
to
definitely.
learn
We will
something
have
new.
a same discussion after
Yeah,
this. Okay,
yeah.
okay. Nice, nice, nice
So
to have you, Nav, here.
no worries, thank
Yeah,
you.
yeah.
But yeah, we're looking forward to see your agenda and then to discuss
Sure, sure. Sure,
which
Nav.
way we're going to go and which way you're going to take this course. But yeah,
Yeah,
thanks for that.
yeah. Thank you. Thank you. Yeah, thanks. Okay, let's go ahead with Lalita. Okay, if Lalita is
Uh, hey, hi.
hi.
Can you hear me?
Yes, now I can hear you. Yes.
Yes. So my name is Lalita. I'm working in GHX. So I have total of 6 years of experience.
Mm-hmm.
So from starting onwards, I'm working on UiPath.
Okay.
So I just want to explore the like how the Power Automate works. I
Understood.
never worked on it, but
Mm-hmm.
just wanted to know like how it is because in future we might be like there are a project coming up, so we might be
Definitely.
going for the Power Automate. So that's the reason I am here.
Nice to hear that, Lalita. Thank you so much for your introduction. Okay, now Suhas.
Yep. Can you hear me?
Yes, now I can hear you.
Hi. Hi everyone.
Yeah.
My name is Suhas. I work with US based one of insurance domain company, and I have close to 16 years of experience.
Mm-hmm.
Last almost 8 years, I'm in RPA,
Mm-hmm.
dominantly working in Blue Prism
Okay.
and some of low-code tools. And from this session, I'm just exploring what
Mm-hmm.
are the other opportunities in
Mm-hmm.
Power platform, basically, and where we
Mm-hmm.
can leverage it into a mighty.
Understood. Nice to hear that, Suhas. Thank you so much for your introduction. Okay, let's go to who is pending now? Bhuvan.
Hello, is me audible?
Yeah,
Yeah,
you're
I
audible
have
now.
totally 6 years. I have totally 5 years of experience in the .NET development. Currently,
Okay.
I am working in the Philips as a developer.
Where you're working? Sorry.
Philips.
Philips. Okay, nice. So you
Mm.
don't have a RPA experience, is it?
No, I don't have. Just
Okay,
like exploring this in 5 years.
understood. Okay, Bhavan. Yeah, thank you so much for introduction. Yeah. Now let's move to Amol. Okay. Uh, if not Amol, then who is remaining? Kumar. Okay. Who is next?
I think,
Tanvi.
okay, no problem. You can have Tanvi's introduction, and
Yeah.
probably after that we can get started.
Okay. Yeah. Tanvi, would you like to introduce?
Yes. So, good evening, everyone. I'm
Yeah.
Tanvi, an RPA developer with around 2 years of experience working with UiPath and Power Automate.
Mm-hmm.
Like, I have joined this session to deepen my understanding of Power Automate and apply it in my development.
Okay, nice to hear. The total year of experience, Tanvi?
It's two
Two only.
plus.
Okay,
Yeah.
okay. Understood. Okay. Nice to hear that, Tanvi, and thanks to have you. Okay. So we have got the introduction of most of the people. Let's start with the uh, first. I'll walk you through the curriculum, what we are going to cover in this complete session. So majorly, this session will be of training of 35 hours, and plus 10 will be for your actual projects, what I'm going to give you, and then you have to perform and show. Basically, you need to code that accordingly, and we'll be reviewing it. Okay, 100% on this. Uh, so Power Automate has basically two parts in it. Okay. The one is like desktop and one is a Power Automate cloud. So it's a combination of two what I can say, a two technology. Okay. One is cloud and one is desktop. So many of the people here are already aware of the RPA, right? So RPA is basically a the whatever comes under the desktop flow, okay, will is basically 100% RPA, and whatever comes in a cloud flow is basically a low code, and a cloud technology is basically an API based technology. Okay, that's what It's going to be. Now, let me first share my screen and walk you through the Power Automate console. That is basically a desktop console first. Okay. Give me a minute. I'll be sharing my screen. So, okay. Is my screen visible to all of you?
Yes.
Just one. Yeah. Okay. Nice to see that. So this is basically a Power Automate desktop tool, okay, which is again a free of cost tool for now, okay, with Windows 10. I think Windows 11 or Windows 10, it is free. I think Windows 11, it is free of cost. You can just search and open this window. It will be available in your system, okay, by default by Microsoft. This is given now, okay, as an application, okay. So this is basically a tool, okay, which has basically your name as a login. So I have logged in using my email ID, okay. That's why it is showing my credentials here, or my first name and last name here, okay. This is going to be your first page introductory page of this, okay. And then you have here whatever flows you are going to develop, right, will be available here in this section, okay. Again, this is free of cost. I want everybody to have a check on everyone's machine if this is available. If not, I can tell you the way you can get it from web also. Okay, so I just wanted to have a check on this first. So please have a check and let me know if any of the person don't have it, first of all. Okay. So all the flows, whatever you are going to develop here, okay, will be available here, okay, as a section. So it is basically all the desktop flow will be available here, okay. Once you click on new flow to create any kind of a new flow, okay. So I'm naming it as first flow. And if you say create, it will open a different console. I think this console might not be visible to you guys. Let me reshare my screen. So this is how it is going to open. Okay, once you open a flow screen, basically. And this is the area where actually your code is going to get visible to you guys. Okay. Now, since this is basically a low code technology, okay, we have all the actions available, okay, to code anything, okay, uh, available here, basically. Okay, everything is available here where you basically need to drag and drop everything here, okay, and do your code. Okay, so this is how it is going to look. Okay, during the training process, I'll be going through all the sections here. Okay. Each and every action, most of the actions we are going to cover from this section. Okay. Today, as it's just an introductory section, okay, I will be showing you a few of the things, okay, which we can do through RPA. Okay. And I'll walk you through this console also. Not very detailed, but basic one. Okay. First, can you get me a confirmation whether this tool is available on your system? Or just tell me who don't have it, basically. Anybody's there who don't have this? You can unmute and tell me directly.
Kiran, I don't have this platform on my PC.
Are you using your organizations or your personal system? First of all.
Currently, I am using my organization.
Okay. Okay. Organization, I'm not sure. Maybe they would have locked it or something. But I would suggest to use the personal system for this. Okay. That way
Okay.
you will be able to install it. Okay.
Install it. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
So whoever don't have it, okay, I'll be sharing one link to them. They can download and install that in their machine. Okay. Let me just give you the link right away in the chat.
I have installed in my organization system.
Okay, you have it. Nice, nice. Okay. Okay, I have shared one link. Okay, you can go through that link and download this tool and try to install it in your machines. For this, currently the training purpose, we don't require a license or something. Okay, so it will be the license. You don't need to bear any cost or something on this. It's free of cost. There is a once we go to a cloud section, we'll have a trial period. We can have a 30 days of trial where we'll be able to do it. Okay. So I got a confirmation from Vishwananda, Komala, Manasi that they don't have it. So are you able to download and install it? Can you confirm, please?
I have downloaded it.
Okay, you try to install it.
Yeah.
And you can log in using your a normal personal email ID also. So I'm expecting who has not replied here already have a Power Automate installed in their machine. Nice. I got a confirmation from Nav. Okay, Nav, answering to your question, okay, like you are majorly, as you have already worked on desktop, okay, and we are going to focus both desktop and cloud in this complete package. Okay, there is no separate package as of now with us. Okay, but we can, if you need a very detailed in cloud category. Okay, we can have a connect with separately with Ankush and then decide on it.
Sorry. Okay, that's fine. I think
Mhm.
we can do that. I was thinking because I have worked on it, so we develop the flows and we manage into the cloud, when we deploy to the live. So
Yeah, yeah.
so that's how far I've been, but obviously there are much more than because,
Definitely, definitely. This will be much more detail oriented, definitely.
right. So the reason why I was interested in more in the cloud side is because, I mean, the desktop, as you know, we use it for all the desktop flows, etc.
Yeah.
But for the cloud, because the small automations, like local automation and things, you can do directly into the clouds rather than in the desktop. So that's what I want to focus more on that. So I just wanted to know really,
Mhm.
how much it will be. The cloud side will be covered as far we manage the desktop flows into that, like triggering and stuff and that kind of things. But are we going to go into the more details in this course, or probably we'll have the separate one for the detailed one?
No, this will be so that triggering part is very small piece. Okay.
Yeah.
We are going to go much more detail. Okay, in that basically we are going to see the expressions, we are going to see the formula building, okay, how we
Okay.
can formulate that, right? And
Fair
many
enough.
more, like what I can say, the use cases, what I have designed, okay, in such a way that you will touch most of the things uh, available in the cloud as well as desktop.
Okay, nice.
Okay,
No
so
worries.
that's how this has been designed.
Yeah, no problem. I understand obviously there is a license restriction and stuff their side as well, and
Definitely.
the
So
connectors
as
and
we are
stuff.
going to try this for, so that's why I don't want you people to take the trial period now. Okay. Because once we finish the desktop, then only we'll be going ahead with the trial period so that you will have a ample amount of time to basically test and learn the cloud piece also. Okay. Because most of the here people have RPA experience, so they will not face much issues when we go to the desktop things. Okay. The major challenge is going to come when we are going to start the cloud section. Okay, because that is completely new, almost for
Right.
everyone here. Okay.
Okay, perfect. And just I mean, in terms of obviously, I'm not asking the exact, but in terms of percentage-wise, let's say we got 36 hours for this course. So,
Mhm.
what percentage we are thinking to spend on the cloud side? Let's say, for example, I don't know.
Okay,
I mean,
percentage
a
wise.
couple of hours. I mean, 5, 6, 7 hour session, probably 5, 6,
No,
7
no, it
sessions.
is
Is that
it
what you think?
is 10 hours actually, hour wise.
Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Fine.
It is 10 hours, and we have
Okay.
kept 20 to 25 hours for, it's almost double hours for desktop, because
Okay.
desktop has much more
Yeah. Yeah.
things to do, okay, compared to cloud. Cloud is
Right.
a straightforward actually, little
Yeah.
complicated but straightforward.
Okay, no problem. I think no, I think 5, 6, 7 hours lesson, like 5, 6 sessions on that per hour lesson should be enough as well. But yeah, no, that's fine. Thanks for explaining.
Yeah, thank you guys. Okay.
Nav, if you want, we can have I mean, fees in that proportion also, right? So you can join only for the cloud part also. That also we'll see, right? So in that proportion only, probably we will charge you, right? So that is not a matter of concern. So you can join us just for the cloud also. So that
No
is not
problem.
a problem, right?
No
If you
problem.
are already good with desktop, so you can join us just for that one third of the training part, right?
No problem.
Whatever we are doing in the cloud. So that
No problem.
whatever doubts, I mean, you have the projects that you are trying to build, you can directly ask your queries inside those sessions. And you can probably do only the projects for the cloud,
No problem. Perfect.
right? So you can have all your queries resolved. You can show Kiran the projects, right? And so he can guide you on that. Whatever the issues come, so he can address those,
No problem. No,
right?
thanks
So
for
that
understanding.
also is not a problem,
No problem. Thanks for
Yeah.
understanding, guys.
right?
Yeah, no worries. Thank you for that.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Let's go back to the installation piece. So is everything done? uh Manisa. Okay. Komala and Vishwananda. Can you both give me confirmation, please? Okay, I think we are good now. Okay, so for all the people who has some of the knowledge in UiPath, okay, we use a RE framework, okay, which is basically a structured form of RPA, okay, where there is a rule based some of the things which they have already given, okay. In Power Automate, we don't have such concepts, okay, so we have to build such concepts, okay. Power Automate is majorly on the low code side of thing, where everything you can do a modification, but you have to initiate it, okay. Everything you have to prepare yourself and then go ahead with this thing, okay. So can anybody give me a small intro on how the RE framework works in UiPath? Any of the UiPath folks here? Anyone? Lalita, maybe Manisha. You already have a experience, 6 years, 4 years into UiPath. Just a small introduction of how the RE framework works.
It works for transaction-based items, enterprise.
Mhm. Sorry, Manisha, are you there?
Hello, hope I'm audible.
Yeah, now you're audible.
Yeah.
Yes. Mhm.
So I was just talking about RE framework, which will be a pre-template format. It
Mhm.
works for transactional based item,
Mhm.
enterprise label, um, where it have its own exception handling, logging mechanism, and
Mhm.
retry logic.
Correct, correct. So this is a pre-built module available in UiPath, right? In Power Automate, we everything we have to build from scratch. Okay, but there is one provision basically. Once you build something, okay, you can definitely reuse it. Okay, in other flows for you. Okay, so uh, let me show you some of the Excel activities. Okay, again, this is very okay. So if I want to launch Excel, it's very simple activity where I have just searched for Excel. So these are the Excel activities I have with me, where I put down one. Okay. Now, if I wanted to read it, or maybe just I wanted to show you how Excel is getting opened. Okay.
Kiran, I think
Yeah,
you're not sharing your screen.
Is
yeah.
it? Oh, okay. I'm really sorry on this.
Yeah.
Okay. Sorry guys. Let me just delete this activity now. Okay. So
Thank you.
on this console, basically, okay, whenever I wanted to do some task, okay, I basically have all the activities available here. Okay. So just to show you a small glimpse of how it works, okay, I'm just going to say create one Excel, okay. Or basically I'll show you how Excel is getting open and how the things are done here. Okay. So to take the Excel activity, what I did is basically I searched for Excel. I got these many activities which I can utilize for Excel. Okay. And I have taken the first action, that is launch Excel. Okay. Now launch Excel, what it is supposed to do? It's basically supposed to open the Excel. Okay. Let's see that. Okay. Yeah. It has opened the Excel, but in my different monitor. So I'll just stretch it here. Okay, so it has opened a blank Excel for me because I have not selected any designated path. If I wanted to open any designated Excel, which is already placed on my machine, okay, then I have to give the path here. But since now I have just opened a normal blank Excel, so I got a normal blank Excel. Okay, now if I wanted to write something in this Excel, okay, how I'm going to write? So we have a direct action, okay, to write basically, okay. If I'm not able to find it, what I'll do, I'll simply go ahead and write. Okay, see, we have a write to Excel action. Now, if you observe, there is one variable, okay, Excel instance got created here, and the same instance I am going to use here. This is basically an instance of that particular Excel which has opened, because I want to give the system an information, okay, of which exactly the instance I wanted to work. Okay, there can be a multiple Excels also on my system which I wanted to open and do the task, like multi Excel automations kind of thing. Okay, so how do I identify which Excel I wanted to write? Okay, so for that matter, we have a instance that is created automatically. We can definitely go ahead and rename it anytime. Okay, at any point of time during the code. And so what I'm going to give is I'm just going to write a test. Okay. And here it is asking me where I should write it, basically on a specified cell. If I say on a specified cell, I need to give a column and column and row indexes, basically. Okay. If I let's say A and row will be 1. So ideally it should write the test in A1 cell. Okay. Let's see that. So I'll be running this code. Okay. See. So what it did is basically it has opened the Excel and written the value test in the cell A1. Okay. I'll say don't save for now. And anytime I'll go ahead and I can change this value. Maybe, sorry, G8. Okay. So it has written the value in the G8 section. Understood? It's very simple. And I'm just going to say don't save. Okay. Now this is when you want to write anything in the Excel. Okay. And now I'm doing some activity which is basically closing the Excel. Okay. And I need to do it every time because I have not added anything to basically close this Excel. Okay. So I wanted to now close this Excel. And whatever task I was doing manually, I wanted to basically do it automatically. How I'll do? I'll just search for close Excel. Okay. Instance came automatically because there is only one instance which is available in this flow. So it has came automatically. And now it is asking me basically before closing Excel what I should do, what it should do. Do not save document or save document or save document as. In my case, I don't want to save the document. So I'll be choosing this option and say save. Okay. So how this flow is going to work is basically is going to open the Excel, write the value and close the Excel without saving that document. Simple. Any questions? I think someone has raised a hand. Any doubt in this?
No.
All good? Someone has raised the hands. Who was that? Any questions?
No, all good.
Okay, okay. No worries. So this is how the simple kind of automation works here. Okay. Now there are many more things in this. Okay. This is very simple and straightforward what we did. Okay. But we are going to go in very depth of Excel. Okay. Because Excel plays a major role in automation activities. We have email activities. We have web scraping. Okay, where we are going to take out the values from the website, okay, and use that data to do multiple tasks from it. So these are some of the use cases which we are going to cover. The pattern of the session will be having a topic, okay, which I'll have a theoretical 5 minutes, okay. Then I'll be showing basically I will going to create the flow for that particular topic, okay. Once that flow is done, you have to replicate the same flow, okay, in the call, okay, and tell me if you have any doubts in that, basically. Okay. Now, after every session, you will have a small assessment, not assignment, okay, which basically I'll be giving you on the same topic, okay, which you want to complete it before the next session. Okay. This is how the pattern of this training going to be. Okay. Any questions on this?
No, I will complete.
Nice. Nice. So, yeah, this was the small introduction for today from my end. Okay. If you want to know any other thing, I'll be sharing you the curriculum also once the format is ready with me. Okay. Once you give the confirmation to Ankush, okay, whether you are really continuing to this. Okay. And once that is done, I'll be sharing you the curriculum. It will have the schedule in that, and then we'll have a connect basically to set a time of this training, because everybody who will be the participant, we have to align on a single time basically. And how this hours we are going to basically it will, whether you want a weekly session, whether you want a weekend sessions, and how much hours you can spend, okay, that discussion will be there. Okay. Once that is done, the actual training will start. Okay. Yeah, guys. So any questions?
Yeah, hi. I
Yes,
have a
Raju.
question.
Yeah.
So, like in UiPath, we use activities. Since I'm habituated with the activities, I know where the activity lies. But here in the Power Automate, do we need to remember all the activities, or like how do I filter if I want any kind of exception handling? Means in UiPath it's okay, but here how? I mean, is it categorized into a category wise, or like how it goes?
No, so we don't have such activity wise category here. Like if I search any exception here, okay, we don't have any activity called exception here. Okay. It's basically we'll be creating a separate subflow altogether for exception. And what you require in that exception. So majorly what we used to do is basically we'll take a screenshot, right, of the screen. Then we'll be sending an email, okay, capturing the, we have a last error concept here. Okay. So we'll be taking the latest error. Okay. We'll be putting that into email, putting our screenshot as an attachment to that email. Okay. And sending that. So this is a single piece of exception handler, right? That we have to create it. Now for that, what you are going to read, you are going to need a screenshot. Okay. Then I can search for a screenshot. Yes, I have an option to take a screenshot, right? Then I have an option to basically take the last error. So get last error. I have that option. Okay. So you don't need to basically, so we don't have activity, first of all, here. We have to create a subflow. We call it as a subflow here. Okay. So we have to create a subflow basically of for that particular task. Okay. And then use it or call it whenever you want it. That's how it's going to be here.
Okay, got it. Thank you.
Yeah. 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 Any other questions?
Hey, hi, Kiran. Hope I'm
Yeah.
audible.
Yes.
Yeah. Kiran, so I would be very frank on my requirement. Here I'm looking about. So my current company, Infosys, they are also looking for me and my team to be upgraded into Power Automate. So I'm looking at that. And when I'm like upgrading myself, even I want to look for other opportunity outside. And I want to be very clear on fundamentals. So
Understood.
as you mentioned, like you will share the curriculum or the topics that you will. So I hope you are including all the topics which are
Yes.
majorly
Yes. Yes.
yeah. And the next and the last thing is like project work. So I'm ready to give my time and I want to complete the project in such a way that, and I need your help in that so that I will be very clear and very uh, comfortable to explain my project in interview or in anything. So that
Definitely.
will be helpful for my future project.
Definitely, definitely. This curriculum is designed in such a way, okay, where um, so first there is a certification, okay, Microsoft certification, that is PL 500, okay.
500, yeah.
So my curriculum I have set up in such a way, okay, that almost 75% or 80% of the curriculum of that particular exam is covered in this training. Okay, only the except the theoretical part, some of the part which comes from a platform level. Okay, that you might need to get from the Microsoft Learn profiles, this website. Okay, but almost 75% of the 80% part is covered in this training.
Okay.
Okay, so that's one benefit. Second is you are going to work on basically whatever topics I'm going to cover. Okay, every topic, at least 2 to 3 projects will be there, which will cover that topic basically. Not every topic 3 projects, but covering that topic, there will be 3 to 4 projects for each topic. So that even if you don't understand that particular section in first project, okay, you might get some question in next project. Oh, then you will realize like, yeah, I did the same thing in my previous project, right? And this is not designed in a very fast track way. Okay, this span of this training will be good. You will get a good amount of time to spend on this. Okay, I'll make sure that I will not overburden you also, because I know you have other tasks also, right? You have your own job also right now. Okay, so I'll not overburden anything on you. It will be very systematically planned. Okay, that how much work I am going to give, it should not take 1 or 2 hour max for you other than this training. So that's how it's going to be.
Okay. But Kiran, just one thing, last thing. Like we will get some, like as you mentioned, on topics we will get some project and that we will do hands-on practice and all that. But after training also there will be at least 2 to 3 project that we can like.
End-to-end projects. Yes, definitely. That's
Oh,
why we have kept almost 5 to 10 hours extra other than the actual training. Okay. That is only for basically I will not be the speaker in that sessions. Okay. You all will be the speakers. Basically, you need to tell me what you did in that project. I'll be only the person who is going to tell you what you need to do. How you did it, what what logic you applied, you need to tell me in that sessions. Okay, so that
you will
way,
can guide us.
yeah, that way I will know that how much you got understood, right? And if I need to basically re-explain any topic or something, then I'll come to know
Okay.
on this. Okay, so that's how it will be planned.
Okay.
Yeah,
Thank you.
yeah. Any other queries, guys?
So, Kiran, I think you can stop the recording.
Yeah.